where we are, this is the entrance and this is the exit. It's two line, guys. One is the entrance and another one is the exit. We are here at the underpass around Arena Mall, guys. Do you see, guys? This is a new episode, guys, where we are going to be touring around this place, guys, to show you the development in the city, in the country. Please, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe so be part of the family. Also, don't forget to leave us your thought in the comment section. I have my bro here.
Yo, what's up, man? It's good to have you here. It's good to have you in the channel of my brother Ronald. Man, this is a good place to be. If you looked at the other side, you can see the beauty of Kampala city. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah.
And where we are standing here, we are going to go down. We have the underpass, and this is part of the flyover. The other side, you have the road that will take you to that side of Chibuli off, and then the other side, that is Mukwano Road, and we're all here.
We are down the underpass, guys, and this is how it looks like. This is the underpass, guys. So Joel, any idea do you have about this
Yo guys,
project?
this is one of Uganda's huge projects, guys. This, you can even just feel how cool the place is.
Yeah.
Okay, like since I'm here, let me tell you how it feels being inside the underpass. The underpass is so cool. You can really feel that an investment has been put in, a lot of money, a lot of diplomats have been, okay, it's handled by diplomats. You can see how, you can show them how it is.
We are walking down the underpass. I have my brothers here. We are going to be talking about the development about this road, guys. So I start with Joel. So how do you see this road, Joel?
This is a proof that Uganda's infrastructure is developing. Yeah, by the fact that this underpass is one of the major developments that have taken place this year. It is proof that Uganda is developing. It's going to facilitate the transport system. It's going to ease the traffic flow, and generally it's going to attract more people to come to Uganda. Since more businesses to come up and ease businesses to run because of the reduction in jam and stuff.
So for now, bro.
Yeah, so honestly speaking, the main purpose of this place was to decongest the town. Remember, there was a lot of traffic that was coming to town. So they wanted people, you know, there are people who are not going straight to town. Their intention is to go to town and then they connect maybe to Ginger Road, they go to Nakawa, they go to those places. So that is what they call the passing by traffic. And that is what this road is for. And honestly speaking, the road is already doing well. The improvement and the shape it is bringing to this place is different.
Yeah, as you can see, also it's changing this place, guys.
Yeah, it's really changing the shape of the place. Wow. This is so different, so beautiful.
Guys, there we have Arena Mall.
Yes.
That's Arena Mall, guys. And the underpass is here, guys. And we have the city. That's a city. It's got the tallest buildings, guys.
The capital city of Uganda.
Yeah.
Kampala
Kampala City, guys. And in the front is the pedestrians walkway.
Yes.
Just like
No.
Is the one there,
Does it mean
guys?
that if you walked along the underpass here,
Yes.
the cars will knock you as a pedestrian?
Yes, they knock you.
There's no
definitely.
chance of you walking along the
No,
underpass.
no,
No.
not allowed. Because we are fast, they are going in business trips.
And they're
guys
so
are
fast.
For airport,
What about the cyclists?
the cyclists, no. This
They
is strictly
cannot.
for cars.
So
Because
what do you
this-
think will be the speed limit for this underpass?
I'm not sure yet because about 80.
80? You man, you want to kill us?
8 is too much, man. 8 is too much.
It has to be around 40 or 30, I don't know, but for sure 80 it is too high.
It's too high.
Yeah, it's too high. 80
Okay.
is too high. You can lose control and you feel everyone there.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this other side in front will take you to Wampeo Avenue. That's now
Wampeo Avenue.
Wampeo Avenue includes all those places near Kololo. Yeah, that's Wampeo Avenue. It's really the safest place that you can ride on right now.
Wow.
One thing I realized here is going to be very safe, and I don't think there will be a lot of accidents around this place. I don't think so. Because now you have the pedestrians walk away, they pass up, and then you have the cars down here, you have the other road. By the, even that road they are going to improve.
That's one there.
Yeah, that is Mukwano Road.
Mukwano Road, yeah.
Yes, it's actually one of the biggest roads they are going to improve, and that road comes from the other side of the flyover, the clock tower, and then it takes you the other side down to Kitugum House.
Guys, you can see how far we have walked. You can see
Yes.
where the flyover is far away from here. How far?
Far away.
Joel, haven't we taken like
About 20 minutes. Yeah.
So Ronald, you are enjoying the road.
Yes, I'm enjoying the road.
What are you enjoying about this road?
Me, I'm enjoying like walking around this road, guys,
Yes.
because it's amazing.
It's
And
really amazing.
when they finish the construction, this road it will be so amazing, more than amazing.
Beginning
This is the beginning, yeah.
Yes, and also I think there used to be a train here, a railway.
Yeah, the other side.
The other side. Come
Yeah.
on, see something here. Is that not a train?
Oh, yeah, it might be.
Those are the old ones.
Yeah, that was the old one. Are they going to work on it also?
I don't know.
They cannot work on it.
Wow.
So, guys, this is a pedestrian flyover.
It's a pedestrian flyover, guys.
Yes. Can show them. Wow. Yeah, we are in a position to take you through it because they're still tightening the bolts of it. They're still tightening the bolts, so we may fall over precautions.
Yeah.
Wow. Honestly speaking, it's a different shape.
Yeah.
And it's going to make
This-
the country very, very
This is changing the face of Kampala.
Finally, guys, we came at the end of the video. This is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate your support and love. Kindly leave your time to watch my videos, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave us your thought in the comment section. Check this link here, guys. I'm going to put my friend's link in my YouTube description. You're going to be checking them, guys. I appreciate so much, guys. Bye bye.